Welcome guys in this new lecture of digital logic circuit implementation using Multisim. In today's lecture, we are going to implement two input OR gate using 2x1 multiplexer. Let's see the truth table of OR gate here. In OR gate, if any input or all inputs are at logic high or 1, output is going to be 1. If all inputs are 0, output is going to be 0. You can see the OR gate logic implementation using multiplexer. Here I have taken input B as select line because we have seen that one input has to act as select line. A is going to be the first input. So A can be 0, A can be 1. It will appear at the output when B is 0. Because in multiplexer, when select line is 0, first input is selected. So here if B is 0, then A will be selected. A can be 0, A can be 1. The second input has been fixed to 1 always. So if B is 1, then output is always going to be 1 because we have fixed second input to 1. So this is how we are going to implement OR gate logic using multiplexer. Let's see the 2x1 multiplexer diagram here. And what we'll do first, we'll just rename the variables so that we can map our logic with the logic diagram. The first input is A, then this is select line. We have taken B as select line, so let me rename this to B. Okay, and then we have this second input. Its name is also 1 and its value is also 1. First let me rename its name to 1 and then value to 1. Now let's run this and see. So you can see here B is 0. It means input A will be selected. A is having 0, output is 0. 0, 0, output 0. When A is 1, then output is going to be 1. Because B is already 0, it means first input has to be selected. Now B is 1. It means second input is selected and second input is fixed to 1. No matter A is 0 or A is 1, output is always going to be 1 because second input is selected, which is already fixed to 1. So this is how you can implement the logic of OR gate using 2x1 multiplexer. That's it for this lecture and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.